Nyasi ma higa ka higa mag chiwo mich ne Jofwambo Annual Journalism Excellence Awards ma en mano mar puoyo tich maber ma jofwambo timo e pacho ka nobagi e boma ma Nairobi otieno manyoro kama od fwambo maro mar Royal Media Services ne nitiere kind ute fwambo mane jofwambo magi orieny. Ripota marwa mar Ramogi TV ma kaunti ma Kisumu Millicent Adhiambo kod jago picha mare Jeffrey Obonyo noyudo mich e kidieny mar timo sigana maber e weche mag rito alwora kod lokruok machal futo ma yamo e kor lwasi kata environment and climate change.
Okay.
This is it, ladies.
We have seen, and the judges will agree, an improvement in the quality of journalism. We saw entries done in Kimaragoli, and maybe it is the Maragoli rainmakers who have helped us to be here today. We saw entries done, of course, in Kikuyu, in Kitaita, and including Buruji. I know when you have an entry done in Buruji language, you stop the judging process for a while to look for a translator. But it worked, surprisingly. So we celebrate the finest of journalism, but not just for the night, but really they are the winners going throughout.
Let us strive to create an environment where journalists can work fearlessly, free from censorship, interference, or intimidation. And let us recognize that a free and vibrant media is not just a pillar of democracy, but a fundamental human right. To all the journalists gathered here tonight, I extend my sincere congratulations. Your dedication to the pursuit of truth is an inspiration